Hello friends, welcome back to online math. We're going to be solving this equation. So this is x power x is equal to 49. So what is the value of x that will satisfy this? Some person may think that the answer is 7, but of course x is not equal to 7. Okay, why? Because 7 power 7 is not equal to 49. Okay, so how do we now get the values of x that will satisfy this? That's what we're going to be solving. So you just want to follow through as we solve this. But just before we proceed, if you're new to our channel, do what to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and then turn on the notification icon so that whenever we release new content, you actually get to know about it. Okay, so having said that, let us now proceed. So whenever you have questions like this, and of course whenever you have an unknown at the exponent, one of the most convenient thing to do is just to go ahead and take the natural log of both sides. So say natural log of x for x is equal to the natural log of 49, and then utilizing the property of natural log, we're actually going to bring this x down here. So let me write small letter x. Okay, so it's still the same as this. So this is natural log of x is equal to the natural log of 49. So moving on, what I'm actually going to be using to simplify this is actually one important mathematical tool, which is known as the Lambert W function. That is actually the tool I'm going to be using to simplify this stuff you see over here, so that we can be able to compress all of the x's together. Okay, and then before you actually apply the Lambert W function, you need to actually simplify your function to be in the form of a exponential a, so that when that happens, you can be able to pass the Lambert W function, and then this all of your function will collapse to a. So our job is to find a way to simplify this to be in the form of a exponential a. Okay, and then how we do that is just to set our x to be equal to exponential natural log of s, which basically is still the same thing as x, because exponential of natural log is 1, and then 1 times x is same as x. So I'm actually going to use this to replace x in the question. Okay, so instead of this x right here, I'm gonna write exponential natural log of x, and then multiply by this natural log of x right here is equal to the natural log of 49. Okay, so moving on, I'll write this first. Since it is multiplication, it is still commutative. Okay, natural log of x exponential natural log of s is equal to the natural log of 49, and then of course you can see that we've got this function in the form of a exponential a. So that being the case, we can go ahead to pass the Lambert W function. So we have Lambert W function of natural log of x, okay, exponential natural log of x is equal to the Lambert W function of natural log of 49. Okay, so that at this point, this left hand side is actually going to collapse to the natural log of x, and that will be equal to the Lambert W function of natural log of 49 there at the right hand side. So how do we now get the value of x? So we just go ahead to take the exponent of both sides. So we take exponential of natural log of x is equal to the exponential of Lambert W function of natural log of 49. Okay, and then of course the natural log of exponential of natural log is equal to 1 times x is equal to x, so that eventually what we have as the value of x is equal to the exponential of Lambert W function of natural log of 49. Okay, so you just need to go over to wolframalpha.com to compute this stuff right here. And of course, when you do that, you'll find out that approximately x will be equal to 3.278. Okay, so this is actually going to be the approximate value of x when you compute this stuff right there at wolframalpha.com. So basically, that is how you solve this. Let me have your thoughts in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.